our animal science course blends practical skills with theory and covers a whole host of topics such as animal biology, ecology and evolution, genetics, and depending on the optional modules which students can take in order to specialise, so conservation modules, zoo modules, there are livestock modules, so you can get out and about on our own farm here, where we have a whole host of livestock including pigs, we have sheep, we have cattle, and those skills are really needed within the animal industry, particularly those people that want to go and work within the zoo world, because if you can practice on those animals here, when you get to work on big livestock within the zoo environment, you've already got those skills. And there's other opportunities as well. We have the Pet Behaviour Clinic and the Titchmarsh Centre here, where we have a number of small animals for you guys to study, to get stuck in with, and to gain those skills necessary for successful employment after graduation. So the sort of student that should do this course is one that is passionate about animals, their welfare, their ethics, and wants to go on to work with them in the future, to study them, and to try to make the world a better place. Animals don't have a voice for themselves. We need to be that voice, and so we're looking for students that want to come to ARU Writtle and to gain the skills necessary to then give those animals a say in the world and make the world a better place for them.
Initially, what attracted me to this course was the modules themselves, but then when I actually came here for the open day, I realised that this is a place I wanted to be for the next 3 years. So my favourite thing about this course has been the lab work, and it's made me realise the career path I want to actually go down myself. The facilities on this have actually really helped me a lot because a lot of the lab work involves dissections and practical work, and this is the kind of thing that I really enjoy. But there's also lots of animal units, which mean that we can practically put our work into practice rather than just learning the theory.
One of the ways that this course is unique is that here at ARU Writtle we have a newly refurbished super lab, which is perfect for large-scale demonstrations to large groups of students. There is the farm where students can undertake studies there. And we have 150 hectares of green space, which is a mixture of open water, of grassland, of shrubland, of woodland and agriculture. So here at ARU Writtle we have a whole host of academic support available. All of our lecturers are specialists in their fields. We have nutritionists, we have ecologists, we have geneticists like myself. And so if a student shows a passion toward a certain topic, we can pinpoint them towards the contacts to make in the industry, but also thinking about how they can excel outside of the classroom as well to gain additional skills and stand out. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on campus soon.